back to Isabel's kitchen, and today we're gonna make some tuna sandwich. So these ingredients that we're gonna need, I got them all from the fridge. So this is like canned tuna, drain the water.
Which we had in the pantry, right?
Yeah, we had it in the pantry. And we had mayo, spicy mayo, cilantro, tomatoes, red onions, cucumber.
This is the black pepper.
Black pepper and salt and
I think we're gonna use a little turmeric too.
And a little bit turmeric.
Just for the color.
Yes.
And then we have the naan.
And we also have
So we're gonna use the just naan today, right? Okay, good. Let's make it.
Yay! Let's put a little pinch of black pepper.
Put a little more. Yeah.
And a little pinch of salt.
That's it.
So you mix it up. If you need a little bit more salt, then put some more salt. Mix it up.
How is it looking?
It looks really pretty.
That's good.
Okay, so we have none in the fridge, but you can use any bread. Now it's time to put our ingredients inside. Bread. Cover it up and eat this yummy, delicious sandwich. It's time to try it. This is really good. I got this a lot of stars. A lot of stars. I hope you guys like this video. Give me how many stars you think we might think. You can give as many as you want. Bye.